So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can automatically post on Tumblr every day. So to do this, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can post on Tumblr 100 of times for free, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, and for that the discount coupon code is attached in the description box below. You can check it out and also right over here. This discount coupon code can get you a heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. So now we are on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for schedule by Pabbly because we want to schedule this workflow. For the event, select it as schedule workflow. Click on this connect. Now it is saying how often do you want to run your workflow, so select according to your own choice. I want to run this workflow every day, so I have selected every day. For the time, I am going to select the time as 1 p.m. You can select any another of your choice. Click on this save and the workflow is going to schedule at the date and the time you selected. After this, we are going to generate the content of the post using OpenAI. So for that, click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for OpenAI and select it. For the event, select it as ChatGPT in order to generate the content and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between ChatGPT and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and it's asking for the token. So to get this token, open your OpenAI API key page, then log in inside this and then click on this create new secret key. Enter the key name, select the project and click on this create secret key button. Your key will be created, so copy the key and click on this done. Now open your workflow and paste the key right over here. After you paste the key, click on this save and your OpenAI will be connected with Pabbly Connect. After creating this connection, just select the model of your choice and enter the prompt. So I'm going to use the same prompt which I've entered right over here. So let's copy the same prompt and paste it and click on this save and send test request. I've entered the prompt according to my own choice. You can enter it according to yours. So now you can see we have this message content which is the post which we're going to post on Tumblr. Alright, so now if you want this prompt, the workflow URL is attached in the description box below. You can check it out and from there you can get this prompt. Now let's generate the image for the same post. For that, you just have to click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for OpenAI, select it once again. For the event, select it as generate image. So search for image and you're going to see generate image DALL-E, select it, click on this connect. We have recently connected Pabbly Connect with OpenAI, so click on this select existing connection and then save. Now you have to select the model. I'm going to keep it as DALL-E 3 and now it is asking me for the prompt, so I'm just going to enter the prompt, and what I want is I'm just going to enter the caption in this prompt which OpenAI generated, so that using the same caption it generates the image. And in order to enter this caption, we are not going to enter it manually by tapping it like this, but instead we're going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So to enter this detail, just put a slash and then you're going to see the response of the previous step will appear. So just map this message content from the previous step. Now let's move on further. It is saying images to be generated only one, so enter one. Select the size, select the quality. If you want, you can enter the style and then click on the save and send test request. Now OpenAI is going to generate me the image using the same caption and the same prompt which we have entered. Once again, if you want this prompt, the workflow URL is attached in the description box below. You can open my my workflow URL, and like I copied the prompt, you can also copy the prompt from my workflow. It totally depends upon you. So make sure that you enter the correct prompt, otherwise the images will not generate correctly. So as you can see, the image is generated. So let's first check this image. I'm just going to open this image in a new tab, and yes, you're going to see that this is the image. So let's post it on our Tumblr because it is correct. So let's close this and now click on this add new action step. Now for the action application, search for Tumblr and select Tumblr right over here. For the event, select create photo post, click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Tumblr and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with Tumblr. Now what you have to do is you have to give Pabbly all the permissions, but make sure that your Tumblr account is logged in before starting with the automation. Otherwise, it is going to first ask you to log in. And now in order to give the permissions, just click on this allow and your Tumblr will be connected with Pabbly Connect. So easy, right? Now select the blog. After that, for the photo, just put a slash and map the photo which AI generated. Same goes for the caption. Put a slash, map the caption which AI generated. It is going to ask for many details. If you wish, you can also generate tags using AI and click through link and everything. It totally depends upon you. For the state, I'm going to keep it as published. You can select any another of your choice and click on this save and send test request. Once we're going to click on the save and send test request, we have received the positive response that we have successfully posted this. So let's open our Tumblr and we're going to refresh this right from here, and yes, you can see 10 seconds ago a new post is posted, same image and the same caption. So yes, with this we have successfully completed our workflow. Now every day at 1 p.m. this workflow is going to run using ChatGPT. We're going to generate the post content and the image and we're going to post it on our Tumblr. And you know what we have to do? We just have to sit back and relax. This workflow is going to run in backend. So go and try this amazing automation yourself, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect, and while trying, if you have any doubts, you can drop them in the comment section below. Don't forget that the workflow URL is attached in the description box below. Thank you for watching, everyone. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.